Looking to customize your network cables for a perfect fit? UGREEN RJ45 crimp connectors for CAT6, CAT5E, and CAT5 cables let you build exactly what you need. No more dealing with bulky cables or awkward lengths. Just tailor-made network connections that work seamlessly. These CAT6 RJ45 plugs don't just fit well, they deliver. Supporting speeds up to 1000 megabits per second, they ensure faster data transfer for your home or office network. The crimp-style design uses a 3-point staggered contact, securing both solid and stranded cables firmly for reliable performance. What really sets these connectors apart is their stability. Featuring 8P8C gold-plated contacts, they resist corrosion and maintain a strong, steady connection over time. Plus, the clear, impact-resistant polycarbonate housing lets you visually confirm proper cable termination. No guesswork involved. Compatibility won't hold you back either. These RJ45 connectors work smoothly with standard crimp tools and fit CAT6, CAT5E, and CAT5 Ethernet cables alike. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a network professional, they adapt to your setup effortlessly. If you're tackling a big project or several smaller ones, the cost-effective 50-pack gives you plenty of connectors to work with. Build multiple patch cables at the perfect length for routers, patch panels, or workstations without wasting cable or money. Users across the US have praised these connectors for their ease of use and solid performance, especially with CAT6 cables. They've become a trusted choice for anyone wanting to upgrade or customize their network wiring without hassle. If that's you, someone who values a stable, fast network and the freedom to create custom cable lengths, UGREEN's RJ45 connectors are worth a look. They combine durability, speed, and versatility in one affordable package. Try UGREEN RJ45 crimp connectors when you're ready to build your own network cables that fit perfectly and perform reliably. It's a simple step toward a cleaner, faster, and more efficient network setup.